exciting ever happens around. Ah!
Nine! Please don't!
Defend yourself, Metal Man!
Mega Blast Man? Isn't he just a comic book character?
Ha! Aha!
Hey, this is between him and me.
Want to go again, Von Bolt?
It was exciting, wasn't it?
Haha, Kent, you got your costume done.
I thought you weren't going to finish it in time.
What? A miss showing off at the Comic Jubilee? There's nothing about Mega Blast Man I don't know.
Oh yeah? Recite the villain's pledge of evil from Mega Blast Man issue 152.
I pledge allegiance to all scabs of the universe and woe be it to all who try to stop me.
Perfect.
Ah, know this one? Do Mega Blast Man's victory dance from issue 756.
What? Wait a minute. Mega Blast Man doesn't dance.
Klutz alert.
Nope. Some V-mail for Kent. From the Comic Jubilee.
Don't tell me they're gonna cancel it.
See for yourself.
Greetings, Mega Geeks. We regret to announce a guest cancellation on the mighty Mega Blast Man speaker panel.
Oh no!
But the panel can still go on if we get one more Mega Expert. You, Kent Upton, will you answer our call of destiny?
Way to go!
Right.
No, I couldn't possibly anything but that.
Huh? What? Seriously?
No, not public speaking. Just thinking about it makes me sweat. Here, Von Bolt, take my Comic Jubilee tickets.
Danke, Kent.
And when I sweat, uh-oh.
P.U. Is one of you guys bioengineering an extra strong strain of stinkweed? Kent! Since Kent's got every other phobia, of course he's afraid of public speaking. What do you think, J.D.?
Oh, just wondering what this does. Oh,
It's booby-trapped, so it only works for me. You'd know that if you read issue 397.
This is why you have to go to Comic Jubilee, Kent. Who else knows this stuff?
Yeah, maybe.
Your whole life has been building to this.
dude, what if some newbie says the Hergonauts are stronger than the hemorrhoids? Who'll set them straight?
Yeah, I guess you're...
And think of the fun you'll have up there in front of all those hundreds and hundreds of people.
No, not public speaking again.
Whoa, this went bad fast.
There's that smell again.
Toxic leak detected. Yeah, and it seems to be coming from over...
I stink.
Warning, unhealthy air quality. PU.
And we have a winner!
That's one benefit of being a hologram. No sense of smell.
Boy, am I glad that's over.
And here is a little gift from us to you.
Deodorant?
It's actually more of a gift for us.
Thanks. But I tried them all. Nothing works.
All you need is a sweat expert, Kent. I suggest Dr. Paul Schifferdecker, a scientist who showed how human sweat glands work.
The 1920s coming up. Mach schnell!
Dr. Schifferdecker?
That is me, all right.
We need your help fixing a case of withering, crippling.
Devastating BO.
It's just for a friend.
Sorry, I cannot help you.
Our friend really, really, really needs some help.
When you spend 10 years sniffing other people's armpits, you lose your sense of smell. See? Nothing. I smell nothing.
Oh, Oh, isn't there anything you can do? Ken here has to speak in public.
Don't remind me. La 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 la.
My young friends, think of it this way. Your sweat glands serve up protein to the bacteria in your armpits. The bacteria feasts on the proteins, breaking them down. So the stink you smell is the odor of rotting protein. The solution is to either 1, starve the bacteria, 2, mask the smell, or 3, somehow stop the sweating entirely.
Starve, mask, or stop? Got it.
We'll have you rocking the Comic Jubilee in no time, dude.
Uh-oh. Sorry, guys.
Thank you, Doctor. We have to go.
But you just got here.
A minute ago, you couldn't wait for us to leave.
But don't you see? It is a miracle. I haven't smelled anything in years, but now you, dear boy, I can smell. It is the sweetest, worst smell in the world. I could start singing. La 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 la.
Come on, Kent, let's go.
I'm getting very tired of this.
The convention's only 2 days away, so we gotta work fast.
You really think we can cure my you-know-what problem?
No choice. I called and told them you'd be there.
What?
Hey, what are friends for?
Kent, this anxious situation simulator will test Dr. Schiferdecker's proposal against various sweat triggers.
Schifferdecker was a genius. If he was twins, then he'd be a double-decker. Get it? Yeah?
We'll see the same images on our monitor as you see on your projection helmet. All set?
Not on your life.
Good. Here we go. Time to crank the anxiety. Start with climbing the rope in gym class.
I hate heights.
Levels? Red zone.
Perfect. Cue the deodorant shower.
Levels? Approaching normal. Good, good. Next, stress level 2. Talking to girls.
No, not Sheila.
Bonjour, Kent. Stink level's critical. Okay, if we can't mask the smell, we'll try and starve the odor-producing bacteria. Prepare the anti-protein.
Let's try blotting it up. Potato flakes.
Activating potato flakes. It's soaking the odors up. Let's just see about that.
He rejected the potato flakes.
We only have one more solution. Stopping Kent from being nervous in the first place. Close your eyes and breathe deep.
Now this I like.
Imagine lying on a beach.
Now imagine the peaceful waves. Listen to the sound of the waves. Like the applause of hundreds of mega geeks applauding when you're introduced at Comic Jubilee.
Thanks anyway, guys. But I think you've made a pretty airtight case. I'm just not going to the Comic Jubilee.
Wait a minute. That's it. Airtight.
Of course, Mega Blast Man could beat Dr. Whammy anytime, any place. Next.
I hope the suit holds.
I can see he is sweating like a black forest fall in the summertime.
Steampunk, nice.
So far, so good, sis.
Great idea stealing Kent's suit shot.
No, sir. Mega Blast Man rescued a nest of woodpeckers, not sparrows. Next.
I think he's gonna make it. Kent. I think your costume rocks, especially the breathing tanks. Could you show me how to do needlework like that?
Hubba-da, hubba-da, hubba-da.
Uh-oh, a cute girl.
Hubba-da, hubba-da, hubba-da.
What's that ticking sound?
I think he's going to blow.
Hubba-da, hubba-da, hubba-da. Everyone stay calm. This looks like a job for Stinkman. Yes, Stinkman, who defeats crime through debilitating odors. The next great superhero.
Love the costume.
That's fantastic! Stinkman! Stinkman, yeah! Oh, that is so awesome!
Genius.
Great idea, buddy.
That was my needlework. But we should get out of here before...
Good thing these are all underwater, man.
Thomas Edison's secret lab.
Welcome to my secret lab.